I think of the internet as a great equalizer, something that allows a teenager stuck at home during the pandemic-induced lockdowns to help frontline workers in hospitals in countries ranging from New Zealand to Tanzania to Peru. This is how the Oxygen Planner app was born. When the pandemic hit, high-flow oxygen therapy machines and ventilators were in huge demand across various hospitals and makeshift facilities. However, many of these machines required complex calculations, which made it much harder for them to be used in time-sensitive, stressful situations like those seen in an overflowing ICU. I worked with industry experts in India to help develop and release the first iteration of the app in September 2020. As the virus adapted, my app did too. As the Delta variant spread all over the world, a new issue came to the forefront: oxygen shortages. Many hospitals weren't able to treat all the patients they could just because they didn't have enough oxygen to help them. These hospitals desperately needed ways to maximize their limited oxygen supply and easily calculate total oxygen demand. I designed the Oxygen Planner app specifically to cater to the needs of these hospitals and makeshift facilities all over the world. With this app, hospital staff and many different medical professionals can quickly and easily estimate the total oxygen flow over time across all their patients and a variety of different oxygen delivery devices that are available in different parts of the world. From large hospitals using liquid oxygen to smaller hospital wards using a few amount of cylinders to individual patients using their own cylinders at home, the app caters to the needs of the user. It has an easy-to-use user interface to quickly select the equipment, enter desired oxygen flow and other parameters using dials, and see the results in real time as the user interacts with the app. With input from the industry, I was able to fill an important gap and provide the calculations that are most useful to different sets of users. The app calculates the total liquid oxygen demand for large hospitals, or the number of cylinders needed for a small ward, or the numbers of days and hours remaining on a single cylinder in use in an ambulance or at somebody's home. To estimate the total oxygen flow at a large hospital, or at hospitals across the globe, the app now includes 8 different types of oxygen delivery devices, from HFOT machines, to ventilators, to CPAP machines, to anesthesia machines. Since its release in September 2020, the app has reached over 1,000 users in over 80 countries in all 6 continents, in situations ranging from urban centers like Sydney, Tokyo, and Los Angeles, to rural small towns in Malaysia or in India. Its impact continues to grow all over the world and has been recognized by the Indian Society of Anesthesiologists as well as the US Congressional App Challenge. This project was one of the first projects built on my greater initiative, the Ingenuity Foundation. The Ingenuity Foundation aims to provide a platform for young people to innovate and create projects that help improve the world for the better. Another one of my projects with the Ingenuity Foundation is the eye-controlled wheelchair for paralyzed people, which allows them to regain much more of their mobility at a fraction of the cost. I believe that with some guidance, everybody can channel their passion to serve the world. I will provide a project structure based on the design process to help guide students through their projects and connect them with industry experts from around the world. With the Ingenuity Foundation, I hope to work with more and more students from all around the world and help them join me in my passion to use innovation to shape the world for the better.